Good morning, Aquarians. So this is the first day of Aquarius. It's the 20th of January 2022, and as we can see, the moon is still visible in the sky, a waning gibbous moon, and it's about 8 minutes before sunrise. But notably, the full moon was at the beginning of the cusp of Capricorn and Aquarius. Yes, on the 17th. Beautiful. As it appears to us on its circle around near the Tropic of Capricorn. There we go. We have sunrise and Aquarius. The first Aquarius for the new age, Aquarius. Now 8 o'clock, and so 4 minutes after sunrise, and a lovely glow on the water. 8:05. And over the way there we can see the Isle of Wight. Beautiful sunrise in a southeast direction. 20th of January 2022, and we saw the sun rise in this direction this morning, and now at 16:06 it's about to set on the Isle of Wight in that direction. Yes, so it didn't travel very far in the sky, it wasn't very high, and it's coming down over there for the first day of Aquarius 2022. Yes, sunset in 30 minutes. 16:12 on the 20th of January. Yes, in front of the bandstand. There we see the sun slightly obscured by a cloud. From here, still slightly obscured by that cloud. But 20 minutes until the official sunset for the first day of Aquarius. 16 minutes until sunset, and from this vantage point it looks to be like a cloud sunset, so we'll be going behind the clouds there. 16:24, which means 12 minutes until the official sunset, and it's definitely a cloud sunset. So we are able to catch the last moments. There you go, nice silver lining on the cloud. Even if the hovercraft is too loud. There we go. Cloud sunset for Aquarius, first day today. Sunset at 16:36. Still 6 or 7 minutes before the official sunset. And as a reflection from this point, the sun is circling near the Tropic of Capricorn, the circle, which passes over Australia and over the south of Africa during the day. And it's now 30 turns away from that, and in another 60 sunsets it will be on the Equator Circle, at which point we'll have spring. Yes. Still 5 minutes until the official sunset, and it's nice to look at it from this point of view because you can see the sun rays shining above the clouds. So if the sun is between 6,000 and 9,000 kilometers or miles into the distance, yes, we're seeing the rays of the sun at this point. Two or 3 minutes until sunset, and you can see the glow where the sun is disappearing from our line of perception into the thickness of the deck of opacity. And this is the official moment of sunset in just a few seconds. Yes. Beautiful day today. Nice blue sky and clouds with a silver lining in the distance. Now 16:36, so past the official sunset time, and as we can see there are no rays shining up from above those clouds now as it disappears, as the sun disappears into the thickness of the deck of opacity. So 5 minutes after sunset on the 20th of January 2022, the first day of Aquarius being completed, and I'm watching the sunset from my personal dome of perception, which is according to my senses. Yes, I will leave a link where you can see the Gleason map and the air map of 1945 and the Gleason map of 1892. I'll leave a link for those if you want to look up the flat earth theory and have a look how that works according to the map, because on the flat earth map, in the center of our flat plane, or the flat plane according to the theory, is the North Pole, and the sea is completely flat all the way from the Arctic Circle to the Antarctic shoreline of our world pond. And beyond that shoreline, which is in most parts an ice wall, if we go beyond that 1,000 miles, perhaps there are more lands, according to the testimony of Admiral Byrd. More lands, more mysteries.